Hi, everybody. Hi, Hauji. Hi, Ricardo. Hi, Jorge, Celeste, Ana Luz, Rosemary, and Isaiah. Um, I hope you guys had a good weekend. We are now in week 2 of our distant learning, so you guys should be working on your week 2 article packet this week, which is the coronavirus articles. And so this week, we'll be going over all those worksheets. You guys still have your math worksheets and your life skills activities to work on as well. And then, I put stories and other videos along with the in the Google Slides. Um, what other announcements do I have? Oh, so this week I'll call parents who don't see this, but the school district is going to be mailing out work packets. They're going to be about 100 pages, I think, and those work packets will be supplemental to the work that I send home. So I sometime this week or next week I will send home weeks 3 and 4's work. I'm still figuring out how I'm gonna best give that to everyone, whether it's through mail or delivery. I'll keep everyone updated. And if you have any questions, always feel free to give me a call or send me a text.